Hi, this is Tom Eddins from Alchemy Center for Healing Therapies. Today we start the 8 silken movements, Ba Duan Jin, or 8 pieces of silk brocade, which is like a tapestry. So it refers to, like, these are exercises you could hang on your wall. Like, they're that good. You could do them every day. Look at them every day. They're also made of silk, and so they help your movements to be more fluid and your body to be more open and fluid like silk. So the first one is lifting the sky, where we raise the hands up from the ground to the sky. And so I'm going to take a wide stance for this exercise, and I'll take a moment and just relax my shoulders, relax my hips, knees, ankles, and wrists. I'll let the tailbone sink down and open up the Mingmen, life gate, the low back area. Let my head elongate, be held up, rising along the Taiji pole into the sky. And let the breath come down into the Dantian. So the diaphragm relaxes and the breath fills up in the low belly. A good way to facilitate this is to, on the next exhale, breathe out a little extra bit. And it makes room to take a nice, deep, big inhale. So just like in Tai Chi, if you want to go right, you first go left. If you want to breathe deep, you first expire deep. So raising the sky. So I'm going to sink down into the heels as if I'm picking something up, like a basket, lifting it up to somebody above me. Now I'll let the weight shift to the heels and sink my weight down, and the hands come down like a shade descending. Lifting up to the sky. Emphasis on synchronizing the legs and the hands. Actually, you want to feel as if you're using the legs to facilitate or manifest a movement in the hands. So the legs lift and the arms are just ahead of them. They're propelled in transition at the top. The shoulders sink down, drop the shoulder blades, drop the hips, as if you're pulling something down, like lowering some blinds over a window. Pull it down and let it go. Lifting up. So sinking the weight into the heels on the exhale, shifting into Yin Chuan on the bottoms of the feet, and pushing the ground away as you lift the sky. So if you're just doing that one, you could repeat it 18 times. If you're doing each of them, you might repeat it 9 times. All right. Ba Duan Jin, raising the sky.